Next video. In today's video we will get starting with how to develop a watchOS app. So if you know SwiftUI, you will feel comfortable very well with watchOS. uh, like if you are planning to do cross-platform technologies, my thought is that watchOS will not be a great fit because it is extremely small device. It has very low memory as compared to an iPhone, less battery life as well, and Swift is a native language for watchOS. So the more Swift you write, the better it is for watchOS. Also, one more thing which I have noticed, that Apple has completely removed I'm not sure what it was the previous UI thing which was called. I think it might have been called WatchKit, but if you are using Xcode, like the latest version of Xcode, so the WatchKit or whatever it was previously is not present. You can only develop watchOS app with SwiftUI. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. First things first, if you have Xcode installed, watchOS SDK is not installed directly. So what you will have to do is you will have to go to Xcode, then you will have to go to, I think, settings, and here you will have to you might see a get button over here, so you will have to get it. I have already installed it. So yeah, that's the first thing. Next thing, you can just as usual create a new project, but select watchOS instead of iOS while creating a project, and you should have a default project created for you. And here I will show you what exactly I'm creating inside this project. So here I have just created a kind of like a note taking app, but I'm not persisting the data with Swift data yet. Maybe we will learn that in future videos, but all I have done is that I have displaying a text. I am displaying a text field and I am displaying a button. Now if I click on that text field, it displays a keyboard as usual, but here you can see the design completely changes. Like it goes into some kind of like another screen. Like this is default by watchOS. I have not done anything to it. Now I will just add hi. I will click on the done button. Now the data is still present inside the text field. It is not added. Now once I click this plus button, then the data is added. Now you can add something new if you want to. Now I will just say bye, done, click on plus. Now here you can scroll as well, so which you can see, and if I click on any of the item, I'm redirected to the new screen. So yeah, that's how simple app we will be making. So firstly, this is our content view, and inside the content view also one more thing is, if I go back, if I swipe on the left side, you can delete it as well. Like if I click on X, the item is deleted. Okay, again this is in memory, this is not persisted on the device, so yeah, be careful with that. Firstly, what I am done is that I have created a struct called note. It extends identifiable, and it has an ID as well as it has a text. Next, inside content view, I have created a state for our notes, which is an array, and here this is a string which we will bind to our text field. Next, I have taken a navigation stack because for navigating from one screen to another screen. Then I have taken an edge stack for our text field, and I have binded the text variable to it. And here I have taken a button as well, and inside that I have just taken an image with a system name of plus, and applied some padding to it, and also have set a fixed size as well as a tint color to it. And on the button click, all we are doing is we are checking if the text is not empty. If it is not empty, we are creating a new note and then appending it to our array, and then again making it as empty. And if you see, I have taken a list. I'm looping through this, and inside each of the list I have taken a navigation link, and I'm referencing a detail view inside our list. So okay, and the detail view takes an index as well as a what particular note you are trying to display, and the label is a simple text, whatever is been present inside our notes array. And this is the on delete operation. So here you can see on delete, I'm just taking the index, and with an animation I'm just removing that index. and this is the navigation title, and this is the navigation bar display mode as well. Now this exact same code you can use it inside your iOS or macOS application. That's really amazing, and a great job from Apple, guys. Like, we don't have to learn different UI toolkits for different platforms. One simple toolkit for everything. Next, if you see the detail view, here you can see I have done nothing. I have just taken the index and note which we are passing, and inside the text I'm just displaying the note as well as with the navigation title. That's it, nothing else. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.